Hello, in this video we're gonna check all accessories that come with Motorola Edge 40 Pro. And here I have a box. Let's open it. Inside there's a case, so it's a plastic, not silicone case. Next thing is this cardboard right here. Inside we can find all the instructions and warranties and this SIM card needle. And there's also the cable, which is USB-C to I think USB-C. Yeah, so there's this cable is USB-C on both ends, and the charger like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.